ever.
What's going on, everybody? This is the 5 loose boxes that came back from PSA of Delight. Don't know when we're going to be adding more cases. Could be today, could be tomorrow, whenever it is. These are the last 5. You filled it quick. 8 times on the dice here, starting with the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 times.
So our White Sox, Orioles, and the Blue Jays will also get another team. So, if you
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, who got who? Brewers, HH. Rhetoric's got the Diamondbacks. That's a nice team. Brown got the Cardinals. Beautiful team. He got the Reds and he got the A's. Who did you get? You got the Giants.
The Giants. You got a decent sweat there.
MGH with the Phillies and the Guardians. Huh?
Shlomo was just talking shit about the Rangers.
And he got the Rangers.
And he got the Rangers.
You better hope it's the Rangers case. It's funny. Who got the Rockies? Tom Vu.
Henny, you also get Seattle.
Okay, so Cubs and White Sox. So Chicago.
Cubs is Tiernan.
Dr. Tiernan. Atlanta Braves is who?
Whoever has the Orioles.
Orioles. I think that's Shlomo. And then the Seattle Mariners
is Henny. To be honest, your biggest chase. They have 4 hitters. But
who are we talking about?
The Yankees. But really, what you want is with the Yankees is you kind of want the
anime.
You want the anime stuff. You want the anime. The Jeter anime is probably what I'd want.
Matsui Kanji anime.
Or the Matsui Kanji, which would be insane. Are we ready?
No, hold on.
Okay. Dick Maddock. Good, Maggio's not in this thing.
Maggio's sleeping.
I know, but he would have probably wanted the Giants. I'll just hit I haven't seen a lot of color level yet.
Oh, really? No, we've hit like a sparkle.
Yeah, I really haven't seen a lot of color level.
All right, go ahead.
All right. I'm doing 2. Billy's doing 3. We're gonna go one by one here. Good luck, everybody. Let's see some really, really nice cards. Okay, box 1. I can't open. What the hell? Seriously? Well, speaking of Johnny Level, you can just take this out and put it on the side for me. Kurtz for the die, nice for the Tom Vu.
Sasaki.
I'll take this off the back too. Rhett Lauder for the Reds. Roki Red.
You got black in there. Is it in the?
That's
wow, black auto.
Black auto.
Black auto to 10 coming, folks.
Pan for the Phillies.
Who's got Phillies?
MGH. Jonathan
nice
for the Yankees.
Mets.
Mets, I mean.
Wow, Escobar purple for the Phillies.
Yep.
MGH.
Okay, here's our autos. We have base, HTA choice, and black, whatever you call it, X-Fractor, whatever it is. So I'm going to start with the back. And going to, of course, Shlomo. On the front, going to the Angels.
Nice Klassen.
George Klassen.
Got the Angels.
Mojo. Who's got the Angels? Swadika. And...
All right, go from the bottom corner that way. Let's see the team.
Oh, boy.
Just go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it.
UPS.
Rip it. No
Weatherhold Black.
No way. No way.
Wow. Brown dog! Brown
my God.
Staying in the Blaze family.
Oh my God.
Brown Dog hits a black X-Fractor Weatherhold. That is amazing. Congrats, Brown Dog. Wow, that is amazing. He says kill it, and then he kills it. I guess we don't have to beat the sword on that one. Card stays in Vegas.
That's so stupid.
That is amazing. All right. Wow. Off the back, Tommy Troy, top 100.
That's crazy.
Carson Bench. Lava of Christian Moore for the Angels. Kobe Mayo. Oh, I'm taking off the screen here. Kobe Mayo. For the Guardians. Wilkinson. Rainier for the Tigers. And for the Dodgers, Quintero Purple. We have Refractor, Base, and Mojo. So I'm going to start from the front here. On the front, going to the Guardians, MGH, Alex Mooney. The Mojo goes to Detroit, and it's Montilla. And our Refractor, I'm going to sweat this because that way I get some time here in the box, is DeBarge for the Twins. And that goes to Findis. Time for Billy to take over here. Billy's got 3. I can't believe that.
That's insane.
That's freaking insane. Brown Dog gets a freaking Weatherhold.
Yeah, a Weatherhold. The Weatherhold.
I have my glasses in the car, Brown. I'll look it over, okay? I'll actually take a look at it. Because that's a freaking huge card.
How about another black? Non-auto, but another black. This was a stupid 5-box. Sagisi. Weatherhold base.
He needs a Weatherhold base.
Morlando to 150 for the Marlins, Jetson. Connor Norby for the Marlins, Jetson. Asbel for the Royals. Swadika. Brito to 150 for the Astros, Swadika. Or HH, sorry, HH. Wow, how about a Pond Black?
Wow.
It's a 10 for the Phillies,
crushing.
MGH. Great stuff. Montgomery base for the White Sox, Dr. Tiernan. Rhett Lauder blue rookie
Well, that's an interesting
for the
card.
Reds.
I haven't seen that one.
UPS, Brown.
Brown's got the Reds.
Brown Dog and Andrew Morris for the Twins. For Finn Diz. Finn Diz.
However we do this. Who got the White Sox? Someone has, isn't the White Sox a cop?
Dr. Tiernan.
Not Tiernan.
Speckle auto here. Joandre Vargas. Quintero. O'Neill Perez. Amador for the Rockies. Tom Vu. Rosario for the Rangers. Shalamovich. Benji for the Mets. Cobalt. Pablo Guerrero for the Rangers. Shalamovich.
Jesus.
Why
Another
not?
Weatherholt for Brown Dog.
Jesus Christ. Nate Nankill, A's for Brown.
Jesus, Brown's getting everything.
And a Slade for Rhetorics. Welcome to the room,
Hey,
Rhetorics.
Rhetorics, new Ripper.
Rhetorics.
New Breaker.
Wow.
Gets a hit.
This is your first time buying with us. If it is Rhetorics, you have to email shipping at the Blez. Could somebody put it in the chat for me, please? Shipping at theblez.com. That's a big hit, right? That's a big card. That's a really big card. Like, I'm telling you, that is a big card, brother. Email shipping at theblez.com with the account name.
How did Brown get?
Please, yes, thank you, MGH. Rhetorics, email that account, shipping@theblez.com, and just tell them, hey, this is my username and this is my address. That's all you need to do. No, you have to email Rhetoric. Sometimes they don't see it on the account.
Email it
Send
anyway.
the email and say, this is my username, this is my full address. Got some orange here. Green and blue auto as well. Bazana, Sundstrom, and Waldrip for the Braves. Schlamovich. Humphreys for Cleveland, orange, MGH. Cody Freeman at 250, Rangers. Schlamovich. Zaire Hope blue. Nice. That's a nice looking card for Tom Vu and the Dodgers. Let's go to the back, the base auto. Is Peyton Eels for the Twins. Findiz. The blue X auto is Estrada for the Orioles. Schlamovich.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very, very nice. And Conrad to 99 for the Red Sox. K4. Nice hit, K4. One spot mojo. That was a great break.
That was an unbelievable break. Brown Dog gets double weather holds.
And not even in a case.
Unbelievable.
Wasn't even a case.
I'm gonna look this over. You can go show the recap. You don't have to beat the sort that. I'm gonna grab my stuff and look at it. You got some time.
Come back, come back, come back.
Come back?
Yeah.
What's that?
Crazy break. Mayo, Sasaki, Waldrip, Norby, Amador, Morlando, Moore, the beautiful Hope. Freeman, Humphreys, Rosario, Guerrero, Benji, Gonzalez, Pon, Brito, Quintero, Rayner, Wilkinson, Escobar, Tong, Pon. Autos, Eels, Weatherholt Base, Montgomery, Mooney, Santos, DeBarge, Montilla, Klassen, nice Klassen, Estrada, Conrad, Rhett Lauder, Morris, Nankiel. This is a beautiful card. This can beat the sort for Rhetoric. And then Weatherholt. That was great. That was a great 5-boxer.
Okay, I need to know how to spell this name. Hold on.
It's on the.
Where is this thing on here? Right here. R-E-E. R-H-E.
Thanks for joining, everybody. That was sick. Schlamovich should be here. He was here earlier. He, she.